Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Titanfall 2. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing great. And please guys, just remember, when I go silent, I'm just like more concentrating. So, I know I do that a lot. But then I rage a lot too. Nah. So, yay, rage. So last time we were fighting, Cain was upset and he sent these weird looking things. These at us. I don't know where I'm going. I thought I saw someone. Oh shit, I have this on. Oh god! I don't know I had this weapon on. Which one weapon? Oh, I guess I have no choice. Ammo for this weapon. Where's the ammo? What's down here? Right or no? Hey, how you doing? What the? I keep forgetting I don't have any ammo! This was a bad idea. Keep forgetting I don't have no ammo for that weapon. I need to pick up another weapon to replace that. Whoa, Jesus. Oh!
Pump shutdown sequence at 50%.
Okay, 50%. That's better than, Oh, God! Move! No! I keep hitting these guys, but not picking up.
Shutdown sequence at 80%.
Oh, come on, no! Damn it!
Pump shutdown sequence at 50%. Pump shutdown sequence at 80%.
Sludge. I can get it down to 80% now.
Shutdown sequence at 90%.
Yes, come on. See, BT. Come on, BT.
Pump shutdown sequence complete.
Come on, BT.
Contact reestablished with pilot. Commencing supporting fire. Danger close.
Hey!
Ah, shit. Ow. Yes. I think I have to.
Visual contact reestablished with pilot. Commencing supporting fire. Danger close.
But everyone, that's everyone, BT.
Pilot mode engaged. Protocol 2. Uphold the mission. Our orders are to resume Special Operation 217. Rendezvous with Major Anderson of the SRS.
Are we supposed to go this way? No!
You were not invited to Kane's party, and that's why you're dead. Well, well, another runaway hero with an SRS Vanguard class Titan. Woo! Now we're talking. Bringing a knife to a knife fight.
Let's get this party started, scrub.
Screw you!
Pilot, stay out of Kane's thermite range. Causes heavy damage.
I'm so going to enjoy taking that Titan from you, scrub.
Detecting hull damage.
Like that? Yeah?
Jesus!
Feeling it?
God! Fuck off, Kane!
Walk away, scrub. Just walk away. Only a matter of time before I rip you out of that cockpit anyway.
Enemy Titan down.
Not afraid to kill slowly, scrub. We can keep fighting, but just know Kane doesn't let people die quickly.
Warning. Our reactor is unstable. Replacement battery required. Warning. Battery essential.
You can run, you can hide, but that Titan will be gone one way or another.
Excessive damage. Warning. Warning.
That Titan's gonna look good in my collection.
I don't know if I hit him.
Excessive damage. Warning. Warning.
You know, hero, and think you are.
I'm dead.
You're not.
Required.
Yep. Jesus, Kane's Titan is a beast.
Let's get this party started, scrub.
Pilot, stay out of Kane's thermite zone. It causes heavy damage.
I'm so going to enjoy taking that Titan from you, scrub.
Do it.
Okay, yeah? Feeling it?
Detecting hull damage. Enemy Titan down.
Good shot.
Excessive damage. Warning. Warning. Detecting hull damage. Detecting hull damage.
Not afraid to kill slow, scrub.
Warning. Our reactor is unstable. Replacement battery required.
Fudge.
Required.
Why is it so hard to beat?
Let's get this party started, scrub.
Pilot, stay out of Kane's thermite residue. It causes heavy damage.
I'm so going to enjoy taking that Titan from you, scrub.
Excessive damage. Warning. Warning. Enemy Titan down.
What the? What am I shooting at?